The fourth term of an AP is 22 and the 15th term is 66. Find the first term and the common difference, hence find the sum of the series up to 8 terms. Question was asked in the ICSE 2018 examination, right? So the fourth term we know is 22. So I can represent that as saying T4 is equal to 22, right? What we'll do is we'll write the fourth term T4 in terms of A and D, A being the first term and D being the common difference, right? So I can say T4 is nothing but A. We are going to use a formula for Tn, which is A plus n minus 1 into D, if you guys remember the formula for the general term. So if n is equal to 4, n minus 1 becomes 3, so T4 can be written as A plus 3D is equal to 22. This is my, I can suppose this to be my first equation, right? They've given us another condition here that the 15th term is 66. So in a similar way, the 15th term, I can write that as T15 equal to 66. And if I write T15 in terms of A and D, that becomes A plus 14D is equal to 66, right? N minus 1. So 15 minus 1 is 14. So I get A plus 14D is equal to 66. This is my second equation. So as you can see, I have two equations, two linear equations and two unknowns, which I can solve simultaneously to get the value of A and D. To do so, I will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, right? So what I get is A plus 14D equal to 66. That's my second equation. From this, I will be subtracting the first equation, which is A plus 3D equal to 22, right? Now, remember when you're subtracting the two equations, the signs of this equation, the second equation, are all reversed. So plus A becomes minus A, plus 3 becomes minus 3D, and plus 22 becomes negative 22. Okay, so plus A minus A gets cancelled. 14D minus 3D gives me 11D, right? And 66 minus 22 gives me 44. Right. So as you can see, 11D is equal to 44. Therefore, I can conclude that the value of D is equal to 4. Yeah? 44 upon 11 is 4. Now, to find the value of A, I'll have to substitute this value. So I can say substituting D is equal to 4 in, I can do it in equation number 1 or 2. Let's do it in 1, right? So if I substitute D is equal to 4 in equation number 1, what do I get? Equation number 1 is basically A plus 3D, right? So it's A plus 3, and D we know is 4, so let's put that down, and this is equal to 22. Okay, let's solve this equation now. Let's see. So we have A plus 3 into 4 is 12, so A plus 12 is equal to 22. I know it's plus 12 here, taking the other side becomes minus, so I can say that therefore A is equal to 10, right? So I have my first term A equal to 10, I have my common difference D equal to 4. They have asked us to find the sum of the series to 8 terms, right? The sum of the series to 8 terms. Okay, so first let's just note down the formula for sum of n terms of a arithmetic progression, right? So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, if you guys remember, right? So 2 into a plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into d, right? So that is the formula for Sn. Now let's just plug in all the values that we have and find the sum of 8 terms. So what you want to find is S8, right, which is equal to 8 upon 2, 2 into A we found out to be 10, so 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. So n we know is 8 because we want to find the sum up to 8 terms, and d we know is 4, so into 4. Alright, we solve this and we get the value of the sum of the arithmetic progression up to 8 terms. So let's simplify this. 2 1s are, 2 4s are, so I have 4 outside the bracket. 2 into 10 is 20, right? And here I have 7 into 4, which is 28. Okay, so it is 4 into 48. Let's see that. So 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 12, 16, 19, 192. The sum of 8 terms is 192. So I got all the 3 answers that they had asked me to find. The first term uh, is 10. The common difference D is 4. Right, so we need to find, right, the first term we found as 10, the common difference D we found as 4, and the sum of the series up to 8 terms we found to be 192. So let's just write down our final answer, right? So therefore I can say the first term is equal to 10. The common difference is equal to 4, and the sum of, what is the exact wordings in the question? The sum of the series to 8 terms, right? So sum of the series to 8 terms, I'm sorry, that is equal to 192. So these are the required answers in my answer rectangle.